So, what do we mean by ego or person? It's almost like this waking state comes, you see? So this movie comes on, you see? And then the seemingly central character in the movie, you see, we start to identify that one as ourselves. You see, that is only the identification. When there is no movie playing, then everything is fine. You see? In the deep sleep state, when there is no perception, no trouble. So, movie comes on, and we start to take ourselves to be the character in the movie. You see? Now, suppose this was the actual situation that happened to one of your friends. You went to a movie with your friend, and your friend started identifying so much with the central character. You see? And you notice that he or she is picking up this misconception. What will you tell this friend? What will you tell this friend? Got the example? You went for the movie with a friend, and this friend, the movie started, it's so compelling, you see, that the movie started, and this friend started to take himself or herself to be the character in the movie. You see? So, what will you tell this friend? Huh? It's not real. But all this is happening. What do you mean it's not real?
It's happening on the screen.
On the screen? Which screen? Which screen?
You can see it.
Huh?
You can see it. You can be aware of it.
Yes, I can see it. It's my life. Of course, I can see it. Huh? So, what is causing the trouble? If the movie itself didn't appear, then no trouble, firstly. So, many will try to say that just take your attention away from the movie. Don't look at it. You see? Don't look at it, and you'll be fine. You see, like that. You see? But the problem with that instruction is the more you say don't look at it, you want to be. You see, like that. You see? That's why these spiritual practices which try to control attention seem so difficult. You see, we try to sit in quiet. I was fine. Then I tried to meditate and the mind became overactive. Many can report like that. So, so it's like when you try to withdraw attention too much, then attention also is like a crazy monkey who jumps from place to place. So it seems to go more. So, so just by virtue of our seeing it, are we stuck in the movie? So, and this is the strangeness of this, that although it seems to be playing out in this way, you see, the sages have told us that that which comes and goes is not real. That which comes and goes is not real. So don't take it to be an actuality, a truth. Not real means it's not fact, it's not truth. You see? So although you may still continue to witness it or perceive it, you see, but that idea that it is real, that it is the truth, you see, is withdrawn from it. So this is to not identify or not believe, you see, that what is appearing is reality. You see. Now the thing with this movie also is that it's not a silent movie, in the sense that it has all the dialogue, but it also has a narrator. You see? It also has a narrator who's constantly telling you this is what's happening. Now you are in this situation and this is what you must do or not do. You see, the movie is playing by itself, but the one sitting in the audience, you see, what is he doing to run the movie? It's playing by itself. No? In this metaphor, the movie is playing by itself, but you can start believing that I am controlling the life of the central character, isn't it? Especially if the movie is very immersive. You see? So we can start feeling that I'm controlling the life of this central character, and all this idea of doership and that I am this character comes especially sold by the narrator in this movie, you see, which is trying to explain every scene to you. And when we buy into the narrator's story, we take ourselves to be the protagonist in the movie. When we don't buy into the narrator's story, then it is just watched as a movie. Central character. The central character. Central to the sense of central visual perspective is central. It seems to be watched from that perspective. No?
Hero.
The hero or the heroine or whatever you would say. So all that is happening in satsang is that you're learning how to let the movie be a movie. So when we say let the world wake up inside you, you don't wake up inside the world. You see, this is what we are trying to say. Let the movie play out. You don't take yourself to be inside the movie. The movie starts, the movie ends. Everything that happens within the movie is happening. But if you take yourself to be that, if you take yourself to be a character in the movie, you see, then even though you are just the audience of this movie, you will suffer as if you are that character. You see? And again, none of this has to do with how the movie character is behaving. So if you're hearing all of this and saying, oh, this is now what I as a movie character had to do, then again we are. So if you're hearing that you're not in the movie and you're thinking that Tom Cruise, we are talking about Tom Cruise or, what is Jennifer Aniston, you see, we are talking about that one, then again it is the confusion, right? It's like, so now Tom Cruise in the movie should realize that he is not in the movie. But that's not what we're talking about. You see? Because we got so used to associating the instruction also with the character, that we as the identification with the character in the movie now tries to play that out, that I am not a character in this movie. You see? So we're not talking about the Tom Cruise or Jennifer Aniston. We are talking about that which is watching the movie. You see? So this body is as much part of the movie as every other body. So don't separate yourself on the bodily basis. Because anytime you can hear like this and it's like, okay, now this is a movie which is happening to me, this me. You see? It's not like that. This body is as much part of the movie. You see? You are just the pure witnessing of it. You see? Now, whatever may be the state of that character in the movie, or whatever role that character seemingly is playing, you see, does it matter to that which is witnessing it in reality. So, if you had to start identifying with that character, then what would you have to do? Believe the narrator's voice, which is saying, this is your life, this is your situation, this is what you have to do, but come on, this is only real, what do you mean? You see, these kind of things. You see? That is the simplest trick. If you wanted to identify with the movie character, the simplest trick is to listen to what the narrator is saying. You see? So that is why when the question is asked, what are you taking yourself to be? And if you're still taking yourself to be the movie character, and then you're wanting freedom from that perspective, how is that going to be possible? You see? You feel that my seeing that all of this is a movie will happen to me as Tom Cruise or Jennifer Aniston. So we are putting in very simple terms what can seem a bit abstract every day by using this movie metaphor. You see? So freedom is for which one? The character in the movie? So first, if we take ourselves to be the movie character, and then we want freedom for that one, what's going to happen? Is it
More actions.
more identification, more suffering, possibly a spiritual ego, because the Tom Cruise in the movie could start thinking that he is the sage now. You see, that he is free. So, in a simple way, we're just saying, so let this movie be the movie. Don't identify with whatever any character may be playing. And in the light of the projector, which is your own being, the movie plays out as it is meant to play out. Everything here, you see, is actually effortless. All that is needed for this to play out is the light of the projector, which is the light of your presence. You see? Again, even this instruction is not for the movie character. You see? Because the movie can play out in this way where the movie character then is just sitting in a cave. You see? I don't have to move because the movie is playing out itself. It can play like that, you see, but that still has nothing to do with your reality. You see? So when I say it is effortless, again, it is not for the movie character. It is for you.